Hello all, this is Ram Prasad from Ram Rammi Simple Market. Let us see pre-market report for 16th January 2025. Today, what are the macros released in Indian aspect and the dollar market? Let us see one by one. So, Indian aspect, the very good data came. Passenger vehicle sales data came for December month. Year on year, it is increased about 11.4 percentage, and month on month, it is increased to 4.3 percentage, which is a good data. So, tomorrow, auto related stocks, we have to keep eye on it. Most probably, these stocks it will go further. And the next macro is released is India export and import data. So this time, trade physical deficit is reduced about 22 billion. It came down to 22 billion, and export is about 38 billion in the December month compared to 32 billion in the November month. And import is about 60 billion in December month, 70 billion in November month. So naturally, what happened, your import is reduced, so that is the reason, the trade deficit is reduced to 22 billion, which is ever low for last 4 months data. So these are the two macros which was released in Indian aspect. And US market, the very important data came, which is in line with the expectation. The core inflation came, as well as the overall inflation. Inflation came as per expectation 2.9 percentage, and the core inflation came lesser than the expectation, means 3.2 percentage. The expectation is 3.3, which is a good sign. The core inflation is nothing but excluding food and energy. So this is the reason US market is rallying today. So all these three major indexes, S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, all are trading in the higher range, is about 1.5 to 2 percentage. So due to which GIFT Nifty is indicating gap up opening of 150 to 140 to 150 point gap up opening during recording this video. Let us hope for the best. Tomorrow this positive momentum will continue, because not only US market, UK's core inflation also came at 3.2 percentage. The expectation was 3.5 percentage, and overall inflation came about 2.5. The expectation was 2.6. So US inflation, UK inflation is much better than the expectation. So due to which the world market is all are trading green. So accordingly, our Indian market also, means the GIFT Nifty is also indicating the positive momentum. This is the data. And the dollar index is reduced to 108.75 paisa, and USD, actually Indian rupee is a little improved, and it came down to 83.37. Treasury yield also came down. So why? Because the inflation came much better. So due to which in the treasury yield is also reducing to 4.66. The GIFT Nifty is indicating about 150 point gap up opening. Okay. And what is the market behavior? All the sectors closed positive except pharma and media. So remaining everything is fine. So small cap and mid cap is about 2 percentage rally today. Nifty and Bank Nifty is marginally closed. Marginally closed. So because it was quite nervous. Morning it was trading in higher range. So later on, sell and rise. So there is a clear sell off happened, and after that, market came down and settled very near, very close by. Okay. So this is related to the market behavior and the FIA and client position. Still, FIA is holding their short position, but one positive aspect is last 3 days they reduced. Gradually they are reducing. Day before yesterday they reduced to 2%. Today they reduced about 0.6, 0.7 percentage. Long positions, sorry, short positions they reduced. It is about 82%. Still they are in the short side. But one positive thing is last 2-3 days their short position is keep reducing. This is a good sign. And proprietary trader is also they are moving towards the long position. Let us see after this the good inflation data. So which is driving, which could be the world economy is waiting for this US inflation data. So it came, and which is in line. So now there is a hope for Fed to announce the rate cut. So as early as possible, at least before June, one rate cut possibility will be there. Okay. And today also FIA is the net seller is about 4,500 crores, and DA is sold about 3,700 crores. Sorry, DA bought about 3,700 crores. So next, moving to this Nifty support level and resistance. Nifty's support level is 23,000, which is which was the clear low. 23,000 is the clear support. The resistance, the first support, first resistance is at 23,500. Next is 23,850. This is related to the Nifty aspect. The Bank Nifty is the clear support is at 48,000, and resistance is at 49,500. Okay, so currently the Bank Nifty is at the range of 48,750. So what next? What are the data which will guide the market? The first thing is the India. So tomorrow, India, the major macro which will guide the bank stocks. Those are loan deposit growth rate. The expectation is about 11.5 percentage, both loan and deposit growth rate. So now currently Nifty, Bank Nifty also underperforming. So it is in the oversold territory. Let us wait for this data. This will decide the future course of action. And tomorrow is the Q3 earning results. The three major stocks are coming. The first one is IT stock is Infosys. Next is the Reliance. Next is the Axis Bank. Axis Bank is underperforming already 30 percentage down. Today also is about 2.5 percentage it's down. Let us hope for the better result. Not all the three will declare the better result, or either of the things will declare the better result. So now stock specific action will drive the market. Okay. The US aspect, Thursday, US retail sales data means tomorrow it's due, and China's GDP data due on Friday, and UK's GDP data on Thursday. Like these are all the things which will drive the market course of action tomorrow. So as of now, all three indexes are very good. Means the US, all three major indexes are trading in very good positive bias, about 2% positive territory it is trading. This is same is being reflected in Gift Nifty as well. Tomorrow for sure we will open gap up, and we have to make sure how we are closing. This is very important. Likewise, if you need to understand the pre-market report within 6 to 7 minutes, so please subscribe Ram Rammi Simple Market. Thank you. Thanks for watching.